All right, we are back doing some slope-intercept form. In this case, we're not in slope-intercept form. We need to graph it and make it slope-intercept form. So we're doing systems of equations graphing style. So I want to get the y by itself. So we're going to take that x minus 4y equals negative 4 and get the x out of there by subtracting it. But when I do that, the x's are now gone, but you're left with a negative 4y. So bring that down. This right here is a negative x minus 4. And then we are just going to go ahead and we are going to get that y by itself by dividing everything by negative 4. So this is going to be divided by negative 4. This is divided by negative 4. These cancel, leaving me with y is equal to a negative 1. I'm just going to put that there. Negative 1 divided by negative 4 is actually a positive 1/4 x. And then negative 4 divided by negative 4 is a positive 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and graph that, starting with the positive 1, y-intercept. And then I'm going to do that slope, 1/4. So I'm going to go up 1 and right 4. And again, if you do have problems with this, it's probably a good idea, up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you do take a moment to look at the slope-intercept form graphing sections that I do have on my YouTube. And I'm going to also, just in case, go down 1 this way, but then go left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just in case this line is not long enough to intersect with wherever my other point is going to be. So I'm going to connect these dots, arrows on both ends, and we're going to start again on that next one. So we're going to take that 5x and move it out of there by subtracting it on both sides. When I cancel this out, we are left with a negative 4y, and that is equal to negative 5x plus 12. Same thing as the last one. We're going to divide everything by negative 4. That's what we got. And you get y equals, and this is a negative 5 divided by negative 4, so it's going to be a positive 5/4 x. And then 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. Start with that negative 3 on my graph, my y-intercept, and then we are going to go 5/4. So we're going to go up 5 and right 4. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is the point they intersect. That point right there is at 4, positive 2. So 4, positive 2 is my answer, and that is where they intersect, and that's where the x and y coordinates, when plugged into each of these equations, will make your statements true statements algebraically. If you want more questions like this, find them on my YouTube channel, Algebra. Check all of them out on my Systems of Equations graphing playlist.